Hello there, Matthew here with you, and in today's video we're going to take a look at the saved views of BIM Track's web viewer. So here we are, I'm looking at my model. I've already applied some pretty interesting colors to it. I've got this angled clipping plane kind of artistically cutting through my project, and I'm going to show you how you can do this to your models and control exactly what you see and how you want to see it to best retrieve your issues. So I'm going to go ahead and start over. So here we are. We've got a blank viewer right now. The first thing we want to do from the project tree is decide what models we want to display in this saved view. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on all of my HVAC and MEP. I'll put on the fire and electrical. Then we can close that folder. It's nice and tidy. There we go, it's already looking a little more filled in. And I want to show my poured concrete and my structural steel. Now we're looking pretty gray right here, so I want to go ahead and open up the categories command. Here are all of the categories that are being derived from the IFCs. Let's go ahead and only show categories found in the model. So you'll notice right away it's narrowed itself down to a much more reasonable number. Here I have my building services elements. I've got flow controllers, flow fittings, and so on. I'm going to go ahead and select the first one right here, flow controller. While holding shift, I select the first one and the last one. And now whatever modifications I make to either the color, the visibility such as hiding it or showing it, or its transparency will affect those four categories. So I'm going to go ahead and make these guys, let's say, bright red. And right away it already can spot them in my model. Nice and easy. Let's go ahead and take our beams right here and let's make them dark purple, like so. Let's make our columns blue. Let's make our slabs a little more transparent, just like that. And maybe these two walls in the front right here, maybe I just want to hide those two instead of all of the walls. So I'm going to just hold Control, select that wall, and this wall, I'm going to right click and I'm going to say hide all selected. And just like that, it's gone. If there's anything else behind it I don't want, I can hide that as well. But this looks pretty good. I'm happy with that. Maybe I'd throw some color on my slab. I don't know, make it a green like this. There we go. Making things nice and easy to see. I'm even going to position myself. Let's go into the look option right inside. Using my arrow keys, I'm going to walk in here. And let's just find, I don't know, right here is okay. This is where I want to start every time I open up my saved view. So we open up the views folder right here and I click create new view. And then I just give this view a name. So this will just be new saved view. I hit create. And then the most important part of this is to update right now. That is saving all of my color and transparency overrides. All right, let's jump outside. Let's go ahead and just explore some of the other saved views I've already made. I've got basement plan, so if I just quickly open that up, I can see it's automatically applying a clipping plane at the basement level. If I hit the mez plan, it's going to go up there and apply a clipping plane on the mezzanine level. And you're already seeing that it's taking off the colors and the transparencies that we just applied. So if I go back to my new saved view, it takes us exactly back to where we were when we created the view, and it applied our colors and our transparencies again. Now, if I wanted to make any modifications to this view, perhaps that green slab, I'm not so crazy about it. So let's go back into the categories. We'll go back down to the slab right here. Maybe we just turn it off altogether. Well, then I need to go back into the views and I need to update our new saved view. So anytime I make a change to the view, I'll have to update it. So I hope this has been helpful. Till next time, have a great day.